quick print review. I printed a new X carrier for the Viking, and this is printed on the Viking with Marlin 1.1.9 sliced in Cura 3.4.1 at 50 millimeter a second, and this is CPE from Filamentum. It's similar to PETG, and it has been open for a while, so I was worried it was going bad or had taken moist, but it doesn't look like it has been degraded much. Just picked off the support, and I increased the support to 20% because it's actually easier to get off, and you get much nicer touching surface. So I can recommend going to 20% on the support. Everything looks fine. This was Marlin 1.1.9, the latest bug fix or whatever. So yeah, satisfied with this.